time. So the main feature here today is our new ST131 string trimmer. So this string trimmer is actually more powerful than a lot of the common gas-powered ones on the market. I won't name any brands, but so essentially this is 1.3 kilowatts of power. Very durable maintenance. It's maintenance free, well, obviously with the exception of gearboxes and stuff, but it's tested up to 1,000 hours. I'm sure you guys heard that all around here with the Optimus tools. But what's really great is this is actually lighter than gas and lighter than other battery powered string trimmers in the market. So this is the most well-balanced, best power to weight ratio on the market, and it will hit the market in spring of next year. So looking at the tools here, this is the most, this is an acceptable power comparison right now. So this is a very good trimmer by Stihl. However, it weighs 2 pounds more than our Optimus string trimmer with about the same amount of power. So essentially when you pick this one up, it is pretty well balanced, but then you pick up the Greenworks Optimus 131 string trimmer, you'll notice the difference. I don't know if anybody wants to come up and kind of take a look at it.
Kenny?
Yeah, go ahead.
Come on. Yeah.
Like I said, this is the gas replacement for Stihl's FS 94R. So go ahead and pick up, and then the 131.
Which battery do we have in there?
So that is the core 300 battery. So that's a 4 amp hour.
Okay.
That's noticeable, right,
That's a
Kenny?
very noticeable difference.
Yep.
Yeah.
Also, too, you'll notice a difference in the spool. So they do have a self-winding or a self-winding head on the Stihl model. However, with ours, when you wind the string in, it actually doesn't get wrapped up around your spool. So it's super fast. This is the 400 Greenworks spool.
That's a new one, right?
That's brand new.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
So we're going to have opportunities for folks to upgrade their current trimmers that they have for Greenworks, and we'll have a universal, I guess, a package deal where they can swap it out. But what's really great and different about our trimmers is also less vibration too. They are both solid shaft trimmers. However, with the Greenworks gearbox, there's actually 3 bearings, so it really makes it nice and smooth while you're using it. And with the new head, it's very well balanced, so a lot less vibration, especially versus gas, exponentially quieter, and easier for end users to use.
You know how many bearings Stihl is using in theirs?
2.
Just 2, okay.
Mm-hmm. Yep, so we have that option, obviously, for the direct gas replacement. It's the most common, 25, 26 cc. This is right at 26 cc's of power. So you have 3 different speed settings, depending on what you're cutting. But like I said, all in all, this is going to be the true gas replacement. IPX5 rated, that means, for folks that have the landscape trailers that are open, they can put them on the trailer, leave them on there. It doesn't matter if they get rained on.
Yen, will you talk about the handle and how long we did to get to that design, and what you talk about the lover's hand?
So the motor over here is very tiny. You can think about the weight difference. The weight difference between this one, you can see this is able to achieve. This is both are 1.3 kilowatt, so equivalent power in both sides. This one is able to achieve in a much smaller package. Every size is weight. And to achieve this kind of power in such a compact package is not easy. And that's why this unit, the reason we are able to do it, high voltage is more powerful. And the high voltage is less current, so less heat produced. So that's why this unit is able to achieve 2 pounds lighter. So they have to using a bigger motor to get to the same power. This one is able to using a smaller profile motor to achieve the same power because of the 82 volt versus 36 volt. So that's the beauty. And then here, and we threw away a lot of handle design just to make sure this handle is the best comfortable one. And then you can see me like doing this. I'm not your elbow supporting, so very comfortable. Even one hand operation, beautiful. And then this is the solid shaft. When we in the front, in the gearbox trees at 1,000 hours, adding extra bearing, adding weight. But then we say, oh, having the extra bearing, you're able to guarantee 1,000 hours. When was last time you have a trimmer, you can last 1,000 hours? How many trimmers you going to save by 1,000 hours? Finally, we are able to tell the whole industry. It's the same weight as a 26 cc, including battery. And then now you are able to do this with 1,000 hours. Now you come back, you come home, you smell like nature. That is the beauty. And now you save how many gas you're going to save? How many operating costs you're going to save? How many trimmer you're going to save? So this is a no-brainer. So that's why we feel this is the moment. The industry, the whole society is going to see this industry is going to have a perfect solution for this transformation. So I want you, every one of you, to try this. This is to get to this. We took us 17 years to get to this trimmer. This is this is a trimmer actually. I was like challenging our team. I said, how many trimmer we produce a year? A lot. But why we don't have the trimmer really able to help whole his life? This is a trimmer can help whole his life. So I want every one of you to try. The spool is beautiful. This spool is the best spool by the dealer channel, and then so by the commercial guys. So all in all, it's beautiful. Solid shaft is also having reverse. So once I grass build up, I can do quick reverse to get the grass coming out. But we did a lot of testing. The grass didn't even build up anymore because it was so well protected in the front. So it's a beautiful, beautiful design. Get down to every small details. I want to you try with one hand. Try this one. Try that one. Feel the weight difference using your right hand as a typical you would do.